Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important decorator of Angular for service injection, that is Inject decorator. Prior to this session, we talked about decorator, skip self decorator, right? And similarly optional decorator, host decorator. But so this session is also in the continuation of the same, where we are going to talk about the few examples of Inject decorator. Okay, so we will proceed in the same way. Like firstly, I'll explain you the requirement. According to the requirement, we will go through the program and we will create the code from scratch. Okay, so these are the things that we will be discussing. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use Angular inject decorator for service injection. Okay, and for the complete course you can refer the Sharmit digital course book, which is freely available in the description box. So from there you can simply refer it and use it to learn about not only about the Angular but for other technologies as well. Okay, alright, so let's get started. Here you can see we have one heading that shows Angular 19 course by Sharmit in the file app.component.html. So after this we will add another heading, and in this heading I will write the title of today's session, which is Inject decorator for service injection in Angular. Now my question is, as per this heading, what we are going to do? We are going to create any service? Not this time. Why? Because in all example we were using the service as a class, right? But here we will use the inject decorator when there is a need of non-class values. Okay, so if someone asks you what is the definition for the inject decorator and when we are supposed to use inject decorator, so you can simply say that inject decorator is supposed to use when you need to inject a non-class values, for example config strings, constants and tokens. So in these situations, like when you want to use config string, constant and token, in these situations you will utilize the inject method, or not method, inject decorator. Okay, and if we talk about the real world example, so you can say that examples are injecting an API URL. Okay, so for any particular reason, if you want to inject a API URL instead of a class, then in that case what we will we will use the inject. Okay, alright, so this thing is clear. Now the next thing is how we will implement this thing, because we only know how to use the class to how to use service class and inject it, right? But here in this case what files we need to touch? So first file that we are going to touch is app.config.ts. here we will make the config string. Okay, so let me show you how to make it. So firstly you can go at the bottom, rest of the code would be the same, and here you will write export, then we will write const app underscore title equal new, and these all things are case sensitive, so make sure that you are writing it in a same case. Okay, new, then we will write here injection token, and its type would be string only. Then we will write here app title. That's it. Okay, so this is ready, and always make sure that when you are using this injection token, it should be imported here. If it is not, it will throw error. Okay, so as we are using editor, so I just press enter here and it automatically added this injection token in the imports part. That's why it is working perfectly. Okay, so this thing that we need to do here in the app.config file, we made this as a string. Now the next thing is we will go to app.component.ts file. In this ts file, firstly like we will add it in a providers list. Okay, so here you can go put a curly braces. In this curly braces you will write whatever I am writing it here. Like you just need to write in a simple way. Just write here provide colon, then app title, which is nothing but a string that we defined just now in the, not string, it should be app title in the config file, right? App title. Then we will write here comma. After that we will write here use use value, not class, use value colon, and then we will write here my Angular 19 app. Okay, that's it. So this part is for providers. Then next what we are going to do, we are going to expand this area, this class. Inside this class we will define the constructor to connect that with the string, right? So here in constructor you will write inject. Again this is case sensitive, so we need to write it in a very same case. And here we will write app underscore title. Then we will write here space and a public. And here we will write title string. Okay, and simply put curly braces opening closing, because we are using it a constructor, it as a constructor. Now why it is showing error? Because we forgot to add the parenthesis closing here, and it should not be here. Okay, app title should be closed there in itself. Alright, now what all things are imported here? Make sure to import app title, which is nothing but a string that we define in an app config file, right? So I'm talking about this string. So this should be imported in the component.ts file. Second thing, inject should be there in from the core. If it is there, then only it will work, otherwise not. Okay, now after this what we are going to do, we are going to create one method here which is show title. Okay, opening closing parenthesis, and then we will write here expand. Then we will write here console.log app title colon. This colon is just to show you the thing after that, and this dot title. Perfect. Okay, and just put a semicolon over here. So why it is showing this error? Let me check. So we created it. Oh, it is outside of it, so it should be inside a parenthesis, this parenthesis. Okay, yeah, now it is working fine. Okay, so we'll just put it in a class. Now it is working fine. Now let's go to app.component.html, and in this HTML file we will simply put one heading. Let me put one HR first, that is horizontal row. Then we will write here h1, and in h1 we will expand it and put title over here. Then we will put here button. In button we will right click, show title, opening closing parenthesis, and then we will write here show title. That's it. Okay, now you can save it and refresh it. So let's run the application. ng serve -- open, enter. Just wait for a few seconds and then it will automatically open the browser. In that browser you can see we have Angular 19 course by texture with as a main heading, Inject Decorator for service injection in Angular is a secondary heading, my Angular 19 app is a title, and we have show title box. So if you click on this inspect and go to console, click on the show title, it will show you the title as many times as you click on this button. Okay, so that means this is working perfectly. So overall, like what we discussed in this session, we discussed that if you want to use a non-class values, if you want to inject a non-class value in Angular application, then in that case you can utilize the Inject Decorator. Okay, syntax I have already explained you, like how you can import it and what all things are there. There are things like configure string, constants, tokens. So all these things you can inject with the help of Inject Decorator.
So I hope this session is clear to all of you. If you have any questions, queries or suggestions to related to this, please let me know. I will help you to solve that issues. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next session with new topics. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.